big
good job.
Alright.
You got an axe? Pickaxe? Are you digging?
I'm gonna pour some of this in your pan, and then I'm gonna. Alright, you're gonna take your pan like this. I'm gonna help you, okay? Grab your pan. Oops, sorry, buddy.
Look at all that treasure.
Right. Oh, wow. Got a big shark. Woo, that's a big shark tooth. That's a super big shark tooth.
Look, you can see what all you've got. Can you give it to me?
Shark teeth. Yeah, shark teeth. And you got a sea clam. Sea clam. And a branch coral. And a gastropod. All them things there on your card, okay? Then we got, look here, there's a brachiopod. You see it right here? A brachiopod. I know he's a little young, but there is some more information on the back if you want to talk to him about what they are and stuff like that.
Oh, look at that.
What about this one here? What do you think it looks like on your card? Point to it. What do you think?
I think it reads there.
And what about there?
But yeah.
That's a branch coral. Branch coral. What about
What else
here?
do we have in here, bud?
Oh,
What's that look like?
that looks like. I don't know.
What about petrified wood? Does that look like a piece of wood?
Oh, cool.
You see the lines in there? Looks like wood.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. I see a tooth in there.
Nope, that
I see some more petrified wood in there.
What's that?
What about this?
Yeah.
That is a crinoid. Dad, do you know what that is?
I remember having them as a kid, but I don't remember what they are.
Oh, there.
Right there. So that was a sea lily. What it used to be. Sure.
Is that one?
Yep.
That looks like some of that.
There you go.
Big
Good
stuff in
job.
it. Alright. Turn around the other way.
There we go. I'm going to turn it, remember?
Shark teeth.
Shark teeth. All kinds of shark teeth. Now these big round things are called a sea urchin. Sea urchin right there. See it?
Yeah.
This one is a sea urchin. That one is a sea urchin.
You
Okay.
did get that.
That is. That one.
Lucky, yeah?
That one.
They're right.
That's something. That thing
Ooh, I think this is a big piece of petrified wood. That's lucky.
is. Let's see.
What does that look like?
Wood.
You think so?
I see. It's right there.
Ooh, look at this.
What is this?
Piece of petrified wood.
Petrified wood. Petrified wood.
Look at these, Jack.
Look at those, Jackson. What'd you find, Wyatt?
These are stuff.
Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.